What's going on, everyone, and welcome to this video. This is Rising Moguls FX. Your boy Calvin Fraser here on these charts, and we're back at it again. I'm actually building up a smaller account, and I have a goal in mind because I want to show people that you literally can take a little bit of money and turn it into a lot with the proper risk management and goal at mind, right? Again, if you're watching this video pertaining to AIRO, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment below. And for everyone that's always been watching these videos and just trying to keep up with what's going on so they can have more reassurance, does AIRO actually work? Yes, it does, especially when you follow the rules. And I love to trend trade when it comes to utilizing AIRO. And how I trend trade is just by figuring out what is the trend, right? And it's simple rules. We like to trade the regular Forex pairs at the 15-minute time frame, and our indices and our Forex and our crypto pairs at the 5-minute time frames for scalping, right? But we like to as well confirm the trend on a higher time frame to see how strong the trend actually is. And even for GBP NZD, that's another pair that I'm actually trading. I actually got into a sell, and people wonder why did I get into the sell? If I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame, the zones are really close together. It's 2 green zones, 1 red zone, right? But in retrospect, I wanted to actually swing. So there's 2 types of ways that you can actually trade with AIRO. You can actually scalp, right? Which we recommend as a new trader. You want to start scalping, coming in and out of your trades, or you could swing based off of how strong the trend is. And when I look at the hour time frame, the trend is very strong on a sell when it comes to GBP NZD. And of course, me looking for, correlation with the euro pairs, we got some alerts. Even though I like to trade, and you're supposed to trade euro pairs in session, I actually got into a swing position on a buy because the overall trend. It's a buy. Right? It's a gamble because we do have even zones right here on the hour time frame. But when we go to the 4-hour time frame, we have a strong buy trend, and that's what made me confirm that I want to actually hop into this Euro AUD buy and hold this trade in this position and capitalize. Of course, like I said, utilizing AIRO is so simple. Trading Forex has never been easier for me ever. I came into this industry thinking that it's supposed to be complicated when there's tools like this that if I ever had it back in the past would have made me so much money. And of course, we cannot guarantee any results. We cannot say that you're never going to lose money using a tool like AIRO. But what we can say is that utilizing the tools, trading together with us, hopping on the live sessions, right? Putting yourself in position to plug in will get you a higher probability of winning in these markets. AIRO is just a visual aid. If you've been struggling with Forex for a long time and you're still looking at this video and you haven't took advantage of this yet, you're wilding. I'm being very honest. All I want you guys to do right now, you see it works. All my videos, go to all my videos on my YouTube channel. You see it works. Is another video I'm doing again, trading live for you guys, a live account, no demo, to show you proof that it actually works. And I'm always going to teach you guys at the same time. Make sure you go to the description below, use my coupon code for $40 discount today. Take advantage of this. Take advantage of a tool that has been changing somebody like my life on a day-to-day basis to be able to capitalize on pulling money out the markets. Do you know how powerful this is during a pandemic? Do you know that the pandemic made people realize that your job is not safe, and even businesses that people had, whether it's Airbnb, car businesses, those type of stuff, trucking business, everything went downhill. So when you have a skill set that you can pull money out the markets, but all you need is that extra confirmation, AIRO is the way to go. Look, even with the candlesticks, usually on a typical chart, you'll see green, red, green, red, green, red candlesticks because, of course, depending on how you adjust your settings, but typically everyone has the settings at green, red candlesticks. Green for bull, that goes up, red for bear, going down, right? But as you can see, the candlestick stays in color code to the trend. So it's easy on the eye. Imagine somebody that's new to trading. If you're watching this and you're new to trading, when you look at a chart without this, it just looks like Chinese, right? But with a chart like this, utilizing a tool like this, they tell you mark your charts up with all your resistance zone. This is a level of resistance right here. A zone is already painted. Look how many times the candlestick retested right here. This is bound for a breakout, right? Simple things that we used to learn when it came to Forex, the basics, candlestick patterns, supply and demand, right? Support and resistance. Support is your floor. All your support zones are being shown right here. And price, when the price bounces off support, what does it do? It goes up. When price bounces off resistance, this is resistance, what does it do? Price goes down. And as you can see, these arrows pop up in correlation, right? So again, these trades that I'm taking are more of a swing trade. I am building up a smaller account to be realistic for people, to show them like, look, I had days to where I had, an account and I build it up a couple $1,000s, from nothing. And I want to keep showing people like, look, if you're patient, if you utilize the tool correctly, if you get into the right trades and you trust the strategies and you trust, of course, your ability to be able to hop into these markets, the one rule they tell you is never predict the markets. But what they don't tell you is you have to know where the market's going. Don't predict, know where the market's going. And when you know where the market's going, you become a more confident trader. And AIRO just allows you to become a more confident trader. So again, if you want to take advantage of this software tool, make sure you go to the description below. My contact information is there. So if you have any questions before you want to get started, shoot me a text via my number, right? WhatsApp if you're international. If you have iPhone, I have iPhone, so you can message me there. My Instagram is there. Message me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Message me there too as well. And just let's get started. Let's get you situated. Let's get you involved and getting you a better experience when it comes to Forex. Forex works. You just had a bad experience. And of course, if you're a trader that already is a phenomenal trader, but you just need an extra confirmation and tool because you want something to bring to people too as well, this is it. This is probably one of my longest videos because I want to actually have a conversation with you guys and let you know like how simple it is to really use AIRO and really capitalize. It's really not overcomplicated at all. Don't overcomplicate it. It's just that simple. We have tons of people getting results that they're looking for and they put in the work. And the work is just them going through the strategy videos, hopping on a live session, practicing on a demo account the first couple of days to a week, and then they go live on their own terms because they're confident. And now they're pulling money out the markets. And that could be you too. So again, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for stopping by in this video because again, it's not for me, it's for you. On the other side of the decision, you have fear or success. You guys have to decide. That's all I have to say, man. Stop putting yourself in position to not win when there's opportunities like this out here for you that you watch on a day-to-day basis that can put you in position to win if you just take advantage. See you guys on the other side.
Hey, yo.